always delivers. So I will be showing you how to do short hair in a ponytail, and it is super simple and super easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and press her hair out with my flat iron. She is natural. She did blow it out a little bit, but you just want to get it a little bit straighter. So I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron all of her hair out, and then I'm going to begin to spritz it up in a ponytail using Pump It Up. So now that everything is pressed out, I'm just going to start spritzing and blow drying her hair up. And you want to spritz up every piece of her, like you want to spritz up each section of her hair in the direction that you want it to fall. So for example, you want the back to go straight up, so you would spritz the back going straight up. And if you want the sides to kind of curve a little bit going into the, the back of that hair, you want to spritz it in that direction as well. And as far as the front, you want it to go straight up, so you would spritz it going straight up. Now what I do is after I spritz it, I just go ahead and blow dry that section, and then when it's laid to my satisfaction, then I start to work on a whole new section. So you will make sure you guys, as far as putting the hair in a ponytail, make sure you guys either have those extra stretchy scrunchies, or you can use some extra stretchy rubber bands. And you just want to make sure that you secure that ponytail very, very tight. And what I also like to do to make sure that the hair is laid, after I put that hair in that ponytail, I just go back over the entire head with the spritz again, just to make sure that every little piece is laid to the T, honey. You want to make sure everything is laid. You want to make sure there's no flyaways or anything like that. So just go back over your work and blow dry and make sure everything is nice and neat on each side. So now that everything is spritzed up, we move on to the next step. Y'all, my friend hair shaped like an onion. I'm not even gonna lie. Little ponytail. But all jokes aside, I really do love my friend, y'all. And that's why I'm gonna slay her. So yeah, once you secure the hair with that rubber band, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a stocking cap, because when I do my bangs with her ponytails, I don't like to leave out people's real hair and like glue the tracks in between that hair. I think that is just so old to me, and with hair everything changes and gets better. So what I'm going to do is take a stocking cap, and I'm going to build her bang up to the ponytail. And what that means is you just basically want to start from the bottom track, and you want to just measure and cut a decent width of those tracks, and just continue to bond the tracks until you get all the way to the top of that ponytail. And what that does is actually creates what they call something like an illusion bang with the ponytail. Some of you probably heard of it, some of you probably have not, but that's what it's called. And as you get towards the top, your tracks will get a little narrower, because as you go up, the tracks do supposed to downsize in width. So as you can see, the tracks are getting shorter and shorter as I get higher, and pretty much it will look like an illusion once I do the wrapping around the hair and everything like that. The ponytail hair will cover that very, very top track. So you want to make sure that you glue all the way up to the top. And once you glue to the top, just go ahead and blow dry that, and you will begin to cut off the extra cap from around those tracks. So I'm just going to lift it up and snip, snip, snip. And I'm going to snip on the side of where the hair is, underneath the cap, like underneath the top track as well, like underneath the forehead. You want to cut the extra cap off, and on the other side as well. And then I will begin to do her ponytail part. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take some braiding hair after I lay this last track down, and I'm going to braid her real hair and the braiding hair together. That way I can create a steady base and kind of do somewhat of a fantasy ponytail. And this will also be a genie ponytail as well, but the fantasy kind. And what the fantasy ponytail actually means is just you take the braiding hair and you just wrap the hair from the bottom of that braid all the way to the top of the braid, which will also create the genie ponytail. And you know, the genie ponytail is a high ponytail anyway. That's supposed to be thinner. It gives off a thinner look and not that thick, bulky look towards the top of the ponytail. And as you can see, the braid is not that thick, and as I wrap it around, it will get fuller still. And it's crazy because I only used one pack of 12-inch to achieve this look for the ponytail, and I used like a half a pack of 8-inch for that bang. So it still came out to be, she thought it wasn't going to be enough hair. She wasn't really sure, but me, the friend that make everything works, of course your girl made it work. That's just what I do. So I just wrapped that hair all around that braid, going all the way to the top. And, you know, then I would just proceed to do the actual finishing touches. But before I even get into completing the ponytail all the way, I will make sure that I do go ahead and cut her bangs. And I did not crop out too much of me cutting the bang because I wanted you guys to get like the full detailed tutorial on how to do so. I know a lot of videos we crop a lot and you guys be wanting more, so I'm going to bring you more so that you can learn how to do how I do it. And another thing, when it comes to creating fringe bangs, you know, everybody has their own techniques, but I'm going to show you how I create mine. And this will be like with the choppy bang look, not the straight across look. So we will get into that shortly after I finish wrapping this ponytail all the way around. So now everything has been wrapped around, we will get into laying this bang here. And this is what I meant by illusion ponytail. The hair will look like it's coming right out of the ponytail, but in a cute way. And I'm just going to go in with my razor comb, and I like to start from the middle, of course, and then work my way down on the sides. Now, when I create my fringe bangs, what I like to do is, of course, it's pretty much having the long sides on the Chinese bang, but I like to shape mine. I don't like to just leave all of the hair long on the side and just only do like the front area. I actually like to angle out the side as well, where the bang, like where the long strip is going to lay. I like to angle the back of it coming down, that way it's not too much hair laying down. And pretty much that's what I do on both sides, so it's just not straight, like it actually has some shape to it. You guys will see it more in detail of what I mean once I turn her to the side. But as far as bumping the bang, you don't want to over bump. You just want to lightly tap the ends going under, just lightly. Do not C curl, grandma curl, Miss Shirley, Miss Pauline curl this bang. Like, it is very, very important on how you curl this bang, because it plays a major role in your outcome. So just lightly, guys, lightly tap that bang, okay? Just the ends, and it will be able to fall nice, soft, and natural looking. I personally don't like those, you know, big bump bangs. It's not for me. Some people do, some people prefer it, but I just like everything to be nice, soft, and natural looking. So lightly tap, lightly tap. Another thing I forgot to mention, the best thing to do when you're cutting bangs, always start longer and then see where the client, if they want it that long, okay, but never cut too short, because once you chop that hair off, y'all know it is not coming back. So it's best that you start off longer and then you let them see, and if they say, okay, just go just a little shorter around the eye area, then you can make adjustments like I'm doing. So she said it was just a little too much in her eyes. You know, my friend is a makeup artist as well as a mink tech, and she do like eyebrows and everything, so like she gotta see too. And you know, my friend is getting ready to go on maternity leave soon, y'all. She is the big preggers. Congratulations, sis. She is bringing a beautiful baby boy into this world. Now I got another bad nephew in this world, but it is fine. So yes, honey, y'all want to go ahead and, you know, just shape that bang to their preference, to your preference. And that's pretty much what I meant as I said, shape it on the sides where everything is not long, it's kind of angled going down. But now it's time to do the wrap around the ponytail to complete the look. So I'm just going to take a little bit, guys, to be spray and just, you know, wrap it around and blow dry it. Y'all know how this goes. The easy part, the simple part. Yes, just wrap that thing around and you want to blow dry it. And then I will pretty much complete the entire look. I am going to show you how it look without the gold band, not the gold band, but the gold string around it towards the end of this video. I did not show it on camera because we totally forgot that we wanted to put it on there. But yeah, so you just want to blow dry that wraparound part all around, and then this is the finishing look. Now her hair is brown, so I am going to show you exactly what I use. Do you see this, guys? You asked me a million and one times. High beam spray, and this is actually in dark brown. When I'm using brown hair, I use the brown one, but if I'm using black hair, I would definitely use the black spray. So this is the brown spray, same company, but you just want to get it in brown. They also have it in burgundy, pink, blue, purple, all those other colors that is needed depending on what look you are doing. So yes, this is pretty much the finishing look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Look at me, I need to get myself together around here with a stocking cap. But this is the finishing look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. And like I said, I just did add the gold string around it off camera, but thank you guys for always tuning in. See you next time.